The Delhi High Court has observed that adolescents should be allowed to engage in romantic and consensual relationships without the fear of criminalization. The High Court was dealing with a POCSO case where an FIR was registered on the basis of a complaint by parents of the child victim that she was kidnapped. The court affirmed that consensual and respectful adolescent love is a natural part of human development. While hearing the matter, Justice Jasmeet Singh observed that societal and legal views on adolescent love should emphasize the rights of young individuals to engage in romantic relationships that are free from exploitation and abuse. The court added, love is a fundamental human experience and adolescents have the right to form emotional connections. The law should evolve to acknowledge and respect these relationships as long as they are consensual and free from coercion. The High Court also said that while the legal age of consent is important for protecting minors, the focus of the law should be on preventing exploitation and abuse rather than punishing love. The court observed that it would be harsh and unjust to convict an individual under the POCSO Act without definitive proof of the age or the prosecutrix, especially when the age difference between the minor victim and the age of the majority is only 1 or 2 years. However, this principle may not apply if other documents indicate that the victim is under 14 or 15 years old, since the age gap in such cases is large, and disregarding the POCSO Act in such cases would be a miscarriage of justice. Justice Singh upheld a trial court decision acquitting a man under Section 4 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 in February 2020, dismissing prosecution's appeal against the trial court order. The court noted that the prosecutrix had categorically stated that the relationship between her and the accused was with her consent. It further noted that during her court testimony, she had deposed that the physical relations were made between her and the accused with her consent. Therefore, the court said that it was not proved beyond reasonable doubt by the prosecution that the prosecutrix was a minor at the time of incident and that she was certain that the relationship was with her consent. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, or POCSO Act 2012, was enacted by Government of India to safeguard children from sexual abuse and sexual offences. The Act clearly defines a child as any person below the age of 18 years. The POCSO Act provides punishment as per the gravity of the offence. The Act was further reviewed and amended in 2019 to introduce more stringent punishment, including the death penalty for committing sexual crimes on children, with a view to deter the perpetrators and prevent such crimes against children. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.